As we come around the corner, you start to see what I think is a trendy little tiny home or granny flat.
Start it up.
If you've recently been watching our videos and hearing us talk about this house and granny flat strategy, well, today you're going to get a chance to walk through one of these ones. Now, this one is something that Ben's actually just completed himself, so he's a little bit emotionally attached to it, so I think we're going to get some good info out of him.
I think this is one of the best ones we've ever done, obviously. But I'm super excited by what I've done here. This has been a passion project, something that I've been thinking about for a while, so come have a look with me and I'll walk you through. Now, when you first arrive at the front of this property, you can see that it's a nice big block, nice and wide from the street. And what I've decided to do is replace all of the fencing. So I've put beautiful brand new ColourBond fencing as you come down towards the granny flat. Now, as you start walking down, you can see we've put in a nice new concrete path. I've put in a nice little garden bed, which over time I'm going to grow a beautiful hedge into. And I've opted for this epic little beach style granny flat. So white roof, white windows, white cladding, and then the beautiful big timber deck overlooking the neighbour's yard. Over time, I'm going to create more and more privacy here, but for the short term, I've chucked in a couple of little privacy screens to just separate the front home from the granny flat and give the tenant that sort of separate feel. Now, one of my favorite things, as you walk up the stairs and onto the deck, you get to open the front door, and I've opted for the nice higher ceiling to create that more indoor, outdoor, bigger look, particularly in the living spaces. I've also gone for a beautiful like timber look vinyl flooring. Now, I had options here. I could have gone for a tiled look, I could have gone for a natural timber, but I was thinking long-term investment, what's going to be the most cost effective and what's going to look the best the longest. As you can see in the kitchen, I've gone for a bit of a different look, gone for the black counters and also the black cabinetry. The tenants and the feedback that I've had so far have been epic. You know, like sometimes in a market like this where there's plenty of choice around, it's nice to create something unique that people can completely fall in love with. Now, I've opted for the 2-bedroom granny flat with the 1 bathroom. As you can see, nice big bedrooms. I've put in some robes there just to create extra storage. That's one of the pieces of feedback we always get from the market. And then I've gone for like a nice just clean bathroom look, something simple. So super excited by what I've created, and it's renting really well, literally rented out in 1 day of hitting the market.
That looks absolutely awesome, bro. Thanks so much for taking us through that one. It's nice that you're creating more affordable housing options for the market. You know, you can see from updates from Michael Matusik at the moment, there is just a real undersupply of affordable housing options in the market. So this is something that you've opted to do, obviously, to try and get a little bit of a dual strategy going. It's something that I'm personally looking at doing as well for my next purchase, and it's something that we help a number of our clients do as well. So if you're interested in this dual strategy, focusing on capital growth as a primary focus in the strategy, but then manufacturing some cash flow by building a granny flat like this, then we do actually help a small number of investors execute a strategy like this each and every month. Generally, what we like to do is just get the conversation started with a little bit of a strategy session with either myself, Simon, or Benny here. To do that one, jump over to our website, www.pumpedonproperty.com, and follow the free strategy session links to lock something in where we can talk about your property investment goals, where we can talk about the market at the moment and what types of opportunities may be in line with those goals, and see where the conversation goes from there.
Beautiful, bro. It was so nice to show everyone my little slice of heaven down there in Brisbane today, and super excited to continue to help other people do this as well. As always, guys, please stay safe.
Sweaty, so sweaty. Oh, that's good.